Gentlemen of the Noble Club of Stingy Men Association, as the legal advisor of Stingy Men Association Club, I have here with me the complaint and have filed the motion and moved the motion that states that our motto should be changed. Because from our bylaw here, section B, which states that no promises should be given, all promises are prohibited. So our motto will be changed from "let me see what I can do," which is a promise, to "I know ho shishi," or it will be changed from "let me see what I can do" to "I be bad person, I agree." So it's not me, it's the complaint of the people. I filed the motion, so I'm going to submit this to the court, and before I leave, I will take our anthem. Akpodariti forever, Akpodariti forever, Obi Akpodariti forever, we shall always tight our hand. Thank you.